When is it time to downsize your home? The answer will be a little different for everyone, but here's 3 signs it may be time for you to consider downsizing. Number 1, you no longer use all the space in your home. Number 2, you're having trouble keeping up with repairs or maintenance on the home. And number 3, you have a lot of equity on the home, and if you were to transfer that equity into another smaller home, you'd end up with a much smaller payment or perhaps no payment at all. Have any questions about downsizing? Let us know. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty in Long Beach, California. Thanks for watching.